Now I am going to start integral calculus for 12th class. Particularly I want to mention that I am going to start differential equation, that is linear differential equation. It is the most important chapter of integral calculus. Thereafter I will give at least 8 to 10 revision classes mixing up the different chapter. Then I will make at least 10 lesson plan. So that the online classes, those have joined in the online live classes, they can enjoy and learn the class. Also I am requesting the student, those are going through the YouTube, they can get the class in YouTube also. If I get more subscription as a Kundu sir, I can provide more classes. It will be a type of inspiration for me so that I can some good classes for online viewers. Those are going through my class through YouTube. Moreover, my class is available in BTS by test series. By test series, I have online, that means video classes. They can avail the video class through BTS. Also, I have already given for other institution for different classes on numerical aptitude, general English and other important subjects related to the examination for employment or job. Now I am going to start for 12th class mass integral calculus linear differential equation. The most form, general form, that is I want to write general form of linear differential equation linear differential equation or equation. Therefore, first dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. Now here p is a constant. P is a constant and q, p is a constant and q is a maybe constant or q is a constant or function of a x. Function of x. That means we'll get the differential equation for dy dx plus p into y equal to q, and here p is a constant, q is a constant or function of x. So the other form, what is the other form here? Other form equal to the other form equal to dx by dy plus px equal to q, that is px equal to q, where p equal to, p is constant P is a constant and Q is a function, a constant or a function of y, and Q is a constant or function of y. Again, we are concerned about differential equation, linear equation. It is the most important chapter of integral calculus. We are coming to the end of this syllabus of integral calculus. Thereafter, I will give the 10 consecutive classes, mixed lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4 to lesson 10, mixing up the chapter. It will be for practicing as well as it is revision for entire course for integral calculus. So, general form of differential equation is dy dx p into y equal to q here or here, or we can write here p is a constant and q is a constant or function of x. Other form of this linear differential equation, dy upon dx, dx upon dy, px equal to q, where p is a constant and q is a constant or function of y.